We are at the ribbon cutting ceremony for the grand opening of the Westcliff University College of Nursing. It means a lot. This has been a 4 or 5 year journey for us to get to this point today. Everyone that's been a part of it put in so much blood, sweat, tears, commitment, dedication to make this happen.
Westcliff is a new member to the Corona Chamber, and we were so excited that they are bringing this nursing program to the city because I know that it's needed. This industry is needed. The healthcare is booming, and we need more skilled individuals in that field. The campus is great. It's in South Corona. It's a great environment for learning.
This has been an amazing process throughout the whole time. There's been a huge team that's been a part of it, and everyone's been on point, and I'm very excited that we're here today.
I thank you both, all three of you, for bringing it here, for having faith in Corona. You are in the best spot.
We are at the grand opening of our Westcliff University College of Nursing campus in Corona, California. This opens up the quality brand of education that Westcliff is known for to a whole new audience. We are in a campus that is designed to hold about 400 students total. Our goal is to be really patient-centered, patient-focused. We want not only for our graduates to be able to get licensed, we want them to do well on the exam, of course, and get licensed, but we want them not to forget what's at the core of what they do, and that is their patient.
Nursing is one of the areas that we really need more next generation of leaders. Having a nursing school really helping to, respond the market and the labor request here, and really helping the community.
Truly, our goal here is to pretty much educate, inspire, and empower. We could train nurses the way they should be trained, not just on technical skills, but also on communication.
We have our skills lab as well as our simulation labs, including a mannequin that delivers a baby. But we also have really, focused intention on what they're going to do in the practice setting.
The building's awesome. The facilities are great. Just state-of-the-art technology. If people are interested, they can go on our website. They can call in. They can inquire. They can even start their application right through our website. So we definitely welcome everybody to, that is interested to reach out to us. You can visit westcliff.edu/nursing.